his supervisor.
Poro dhi nyime koda weche manyien kama ji ariyo owito ngimagi masira mar apaya gweng' Masobeya mantiere Rongai e kaunti ma Nakuru okinyi ma kawuono. Wachore ni dichuo moro kod nyathi ma jahigni 2 ema owito ngimagi. Obila mar kaunti no Samuel Ndanyi lero ni nyamburko no ne chimo boma ma Nakuru kama ne obayo motumo lori mane dhi Eldoret. Nyaka sani ji makwan gi romo 7 yudo hinyruok kendo setere ute thieth man machiegni.
So again, we had a road accident in the morning at around, again, 5, almost the same time, where Matatu Classic shuttle was moving towards the Nakuru general direction, and collided with a Isuzu Canter. During that accident, we had 2 fatalities: one adult, a male adult, and a child, approximately 2 years. And then we had also several serious injuries. Around 7 were taken to level 5 Nakuru Hospital, and then the bodies were moved to municipal mortuary. We had also some slight injuries of about 4 persons. The cause of accident is also yet to be established, but that is what happened in the morning. Yeah.
Governor Nairobi